Hey there everyone, welcome back to Kuro Gaming. Today we've got an epic build featuring some top-notch components that'll elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Without further ado, let's dive right into the heart of this powerhouse. Our journey begins with the brains of our operation, the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi motherboard. Packed with features and reliability, this motherboard is the backbone of our gaming rig, ensuring smooth performance and seamless connectivity. Powering this beast is the Ryzen 5 7600. With its lightning-fast speeds and multi-core prowess, it's the beating heart of our gaming rig. Whether you're into high-octane gaming or content creation, with the average CPU mark score of 27345, this CPU has got you covered. The lightning-fast G.Skill Flare X5 memory ensures that your games load in a blink and multitasking becomes a breeze. Say hello to 2TB of Samsung 980 Pro SSD, a storage solution that's as fast as your reflexes in a heated gaming session. With blazing read and write speeds, load times will become a thing of the past and you'll be in the action before you know it. Our components find a sleek home in the Lian Li Lancool 216 case, offering stunning design and efficient airflow. The power to drive this beast comes from the Corsair RM850e PSU, offering reliability and efficiency, ensuring a stable power supply for all your gaming needs. Alright gaming enthusiasts, get ready to crank up those graphics settings because we have AMD's RX 7800 XT. With the average G3D mark score of 24158, this GPU is a proven powerhouse delivering stunning visuals and unparalleled gaming performance. Well, that wraps up our epic gaming rig build. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content and ring that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy gaming.